So let me tell you what blows my mind. When you have simple ingredients, but you're using the right ingredients and it tastes amazing. You're like, these are things that everybody has in their kitchen, and yet I tasted the best award-winning collard greens on Barbecue Wars Tour at Pecan Lodge in Dallas, Texas. I told my viewers in the last video that I would like kill for this recipe. Well, I didn't have to kill for it. Somebody gave it to me, and I'm gonna do it right now. So come on in close and let me show you how Pecan Lodge makes the amazing collard greens. So look at this. If you ever buy collard greens in the store, it's the biggest thing. It's the biggest thing in produce. They're huge leaves. I'm gonna show you in a second how to clean those leaves. We're gonna need to de-stem them, okay? So I'll show you that in a minute, but let's run down collard greens, unsalted butter, got onion, bacon, very important, bacon. I forgot this, I had to run out the store and get it before filming, but I get the thick cut bacon. You've got salt, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, smoked paprika, garlic, and cayenne, and a bunch of water. That's gonna be our broth right here. All this is gonna be the broth. We're gonna mix that in a minute. But first, let's get everything prepared. We're gonna cut our onions, cut our bacon, and clean our collard greens. So de-stemming a leaf is super easy. You just use a paring knife, and I flip it. Don't do where it bends upward. Flip it face down and do the back side. It's a lot easier. The stem pops up. It's easy to see it. And you just strictly run your knife along the edge of the stem and get a nice paring knife that's kind of sharp. You don't have to go all the way down. The very end of the stem is fine. So I'll just cut it right there. Okay? Right about there. And then I do the other side. You don't do it fast because you're going to cut yourself, but it's super easy. And then you just pull it right out. Bink. And that's it. Okay, then you're going to want to roughly cut up your collard greens into 1-inch squares. I guess you can go leaf by leaf. I'm just going to give it a quick little chop. And then I'll tear it up by hand. So you want pieces that look kind of like that, maybe a little smaller. First thing you want to do is get a stock pot, put your bacon in there. Get your bacon all browned. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to jump into the broth and get all the ingredients in the water and get it ready. Since I'm just standing here waiting for the bacon to get all brown. So first thing I'm going to do is add the apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic, salt, cayenne pepper. And then I'm just going to get all that incorporated. It's going to take a bit. So I might as well just start stirring away. So I'm not waiting for this to completely cook. I see brown crispy edges. That's all I need right now. I'm throwing my butter in. Going to get that melted. Don't even wait for that. I am telling you, I am Mr. Impatient today. I'm immediately going to the onions because I don't want to really steam them in the butter. I got that hot bottom still going. I want to get some of those sauteed. Now that you got the onions browning, the bacon's done, butter's ready to go, it's time to wilt the collard greens. If you see long pieces, take your fingers and break them up. Now, if I'm trying to wilt cabbage or I'm trying to wilt Swiss chard or collard greens, I'll put a lid on it for a bit so that that steam stays in there and it wilts it faster. As you can see, the leaves are mostly wilted. I don't want it completely wilted. I want a little firmness. I want to get started on this broth. That broth mixture I did with the water, I'm going to pour that in right now. It almost looks like a pasta sauce, but it's not because of the smoked paprika. So we're going to bring this to a boil right now. So now that we've brought it to a boil, you want to lower your temperature. And you want to get it down to a simmer, to where just small little bubbles are breaking. And you want to reduce this by half. And here it is. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I bet that's really hot. Steam's coming out of it. I don't care. I'm going for it, guys. Oh, wait, I got to get some bacon. Bacon. There we go. And don't forget, every Saturday we show another Char Griller Barbecue Wars Tour Texas edition. Wow, say that 5 times fast. So this Saturday will be another episode. But this is from the first episode, Pecan Lodge collard greens, and this is supposed to be them. Here we go. Oh my God. This is them. Seriously, this is them. This is them. This is them. Sometimes you do a rip-off recipe or you get it from somebody you're not sure. This is them. This is the best collard greens I've ever tasted. Try it out. Super simple. Write me down below. Let me know what you think, okay? I love you guys. And don't forget, if you need prayer, emails down below. Just shoot me an email. Tell me what you need prayer on, and I'll pray for you, okay? Take care. Bye-bye. This is them. This is them.